I'm just going to do like 2 examples of solving equations with logs today. We'll do a little bit more of this in the future, on Monday in particular, but I just wanted to kind of get into it because I think it's important that you see, oh, well, this is actually useful. So this equation looks really similar to like a compound interest problem where I have a 2% interest rate compounded annually every year. So if I wanted to solve for t to figure out how long would it take to make $120 off of this account, what I would do is I would need to divide by 100 first. Remember that that's a really important step because if I don't divide by 100, then I can't rewrite like with a log. So we're going to divide both sides by 100, and I'm going to get 1.2 equals 1 plus 0.02 to the t. I'm going to rewrite what this 1.002 is, and I'm just going to write 1.02 because that's what I do that's what I get when I add those. And to the t still equals 1.2. Now I have color coded this so that I can rewrite with a log. So I'm going to write log base 1.02 of 1.2 equals t. So now this is a calculator problem, and I know that I don't have a calculator in front of me, so I'm going to see if I can get my video going on that. Okay, so I'm going to, oh, I guess I need to move this. I'm going to pull my TI-84 out, and I'm going to go to the home screen, and then I'm going to type in, okay, so I need to find log base, so I'm going to hit math, and then I need to scroll down till I find log base, hit enter, and then I need to put in 1.02 there, and then scroll over and click 1.2 in, and then just hit enter, and then that's what my t answer is. So I'm going to write my answer is t equals 9.207 years. So that would be my answer there. Let's just do one more of these. I'm going to divide both sides by 25 first. This is a good first step always because we want to get this stuff by itself because this is what I know how to rewrite with a log. So 500 divided by 25 is 20, so I get 20 equals e to the 0.02t. Then when I rewrite with a log, I'm going to write log base e of 20 equals 0.02t. Now, just as a reminder, log base e is the same as writing ln of 20. That's going to help me put it into my calculator. It's just going to save me a little bit of time, 0.02t. Okay, so now in my calculator, I'm just going to press the button that says ln, and then I'm going to click in 20, and then I hit enter. And so I get 2.995. So over here, I'm going to write 2.995 equals 0.02t. Divide by 0.02. And then I'll get my answer. So I'm going to do that in my calculator too, but I think you can do that by yourself. And we get t equals 149.79.